miles from anywhere. For centuries, locals have reported hearing a single resonant bell tolling in the distance. The strange part, there is no church, no clock tower, not a single bell for miles around. Some say it's the ghost of a lost ship, its bell still ringing from a watery grave. Others believe it's a warning, a phantom sound heralding an unseen event. Investigators have brought in acoustic equipment, trying to pinpoint the source, but the sound seems to come from everywhere and nowhere at once. It fades as quickly as it appears, leaving only silence and 1,000 questions. What do you think is making this impossible sound? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more mysteries.